Okay, kitties. Hey, time for bed. Okay, come on, go upstairs. Sasha, come on, go upstairs. Go to bed. Okay, come on. Get up in your bed. Come on, get up in your bed.
Naturally found in healthy skin. Where do I wear Aveeno? Everywhere. Aveeno Daily
Chloe, get in bed.
And try the body wash too. Aveeno, naturally.
Come on, get up in your bed.
If you have Medicare, I have 3 things you'll want to hear. There's an
Time
all-in-one Medicare
for bed.
Advantage plan from Humana.
Get in your bed.
Includes Medicare
There you go.
prescription drug coverage. And if they save you
That's it. Good night. Oh, you forgot to say good night. Come on back up. Hey, come on. Come on. Come down here and say good night. Come on. Come down here. Come on. Get over here. Come on. Get up on the couch. Say good night to you and tail. Sasha. Come on. Get back up here. Come on. Go say good night.
You need to take another look at this plan.
Go say good night. You and tail. Come on. Get up here.
Slightly smaller size, of course. Discover the all-in-one
Come on.
Medicare
Get up
Advantage
here.
plan that could cut your costs
Hey.
and cover your prescription.
Night night,
Call
Cody.
1-800-709-3428.
Okay. Okay, time for bed. Come on. Get upstairs.
Too big to miss.
Woo. Go right upstairs. Oh, you forgot to say good night to Mama. Good night, Mama. Now I'm going back upstairs. Go to bed. Get up there. Go back upstairs and go to bed. Get up there. Okay, get in bed. Okay, good night. Say your prayers.